Hello, Gaysil. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a look and see what we can find about you. So alpha painting. So we got, this is what we call a GMB or Google My Business profile. So, about 20–30% of people will click on something like this. Unfortunately, you don't have a website up here, which can cause you to get a lot less through the GMB, but also people can't see exactly what you're offering. So it's a huge tool missed out on. It's kind of like painting without, I don't know, a ladder. But your numbers here, which is great. Open now, which is fine. I would probably want to add your hours. So edit this out. You have no reviews and no pictures. And I don't really have a lot to go off of. But here's the cool thing, right? Websites, what can they do for you? How does it help you? So let's take a look over here, right? So I put in what we call a keyword. Now, a keyword is what anyone would put into Google to search for what they're looking for. So you're in Newark, New Jersey. I put in painters, Newark, New Jersey. So this is a keyword where somebody, but it's more than that. It's something that's very specific to a service that somebody is looking for and a location. So I know that the person looking for a painter is located in Newark. So let's scroll up top, see what we got. So we have our Google guaranteed. You can pay to be up here. We have a Google ad for GMB. So this is what I showed you over here. This is a GMB. And then we have our top three. So we got Accurate Painting and Wallpaper, Jordan Painting LC, K Costa Painting. Very important to get up here again. 30–40% of all people who see this will click on it. And then we have our organic search. So anyone can get in here as long as you know what you're doing. And again, you need a website. So Yelp, Home Advisor are number 1 and 2, Angie, Thumbtack, Hughes. So no one's doing really good for Newark, except for all the big giant directories. But finally, in spot number 6, we got Jordan Paintings. Okay. And as you know, they were also all the way up top in the GMB. So here's what it does. Somebody comes in here, they got an email, they got a location, they got Facebook, they got Instagram, I think, and then Yelp, and then call us. So they can immediately get called, which is exactly what you do want. So as we scroll down, we got home, about, service painting. So, drop down menus. So what you want somebody to come to your website is they go over here, they click on this, and they read about it, and then they call in the top right corner. You want them on here as little as possible. But as we scroll down, they talk about what it is they do and where they offer. So Union, Passaic, Hudson, Essex, and then obviously about the company as well. So things that they're offering: commercial, residential, wallpaper, cabinet, power washing. Problem is they're not offering to talk about it. You definitely want to talk about the services you offer, not just have a picture of it and a label of what it does. You want to be able to talk about it. People don't care much for videos, so I wouldn't say too much about that. And then finally, we're at the end. So if I had to give this, a 0 out of 10 or 1 to 10, I'd give it a 3. Just simply because it's missing a lot of key aspects of just ease of access and content. Now, they did take a lot of time to build the back of it. So this is a tool I use to show how strong Google actually likes you. So we got jordanpaintings.com, right? So a UR rating is how much Google likes the actual website. And then a DR rating is how much Google trusts them. And as you can see, 19 for UR rating, 2.6, so not very great. Now, it all depends on your backlinks. So they have about 1,305 backlinks. Well, 350 backlinks. Now, not all of them are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. We don't want those links. And a backlink itself is where we have this entire website linked somewhere else where somebody can click on it. And a referring domain is when they can actually return to the original website. Now, they have only 1% of backlinks, and of that, only 12 of them actually return to the original website. So not very good here. And then they do have 65 organic keywords. So again, it's like an association game. If somebody types in one of the keywords and they have one of those 65 in there, they will get the traffic for that. Now, they are bringing in most of their traffic through Jordan Painting. Again, I wouldn't use this because anyone in the United States can actually put this in. And if the person calling you is from Cincinnati, Ohio, it's not going to help you out. Now, Newark Painter is fine. They're looking for a painter in Newark. 200 people a month search for that. They're in position 8. I mean, not position 8. They're in bottom of the first page, and they are getting 8 people a month through that. And then Jordan's Newark, New Jersey, 30 people a month. They're getting 0 because they're on page number 2. So it's just a matter of making sure that anything you're doing now. Cabinet painting, somebody's looking for a cabinet painter in New Jersey. That's very broad. New Jersey's not huge, but it's not small either. If you're in Seaside Heights, you're not going to want to travel all the way to Ephraim, to do an estimate. Not for cabinet painting New Jersey. I mean, maybe you would, but that's still like a 2-hour drive. Anyway, So just going through it all, you want to make sure that the ones you have on here are very location and very service specific. Otherwise, it's not really going to help you too much. So all we got to do if we really want to start ranking, because the competition isn't that great. I mean, maybe in the area you are, you want to branch out and do a little bit more, but otherwise, competition's not crazy. You would want to build a website, not even so big because there's not a lot of services that, maybe 5, 6 services you do offer. So we get that up and running. Then we would get content on there, get keywords in there so that you can rank for the right stuff. And then finally, we would start getting backlinks so that you can rank and get to the top of the pages. Imagine if you can bring in 50, 60, 100 people every single month through your website calling you saying they need your services. What can that do for you? Well, that's all I really got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.